Here we are, off to our first show. Overlord. Our 432 Panzer III getting recovered by the M33, or getting it cleared off the road so the tanks can get through. It's our depot over there.
Gone back to being tight again.
In the depot and then put my car out and then fucking done
I think I'm going to put a big socket in there, Mick.
Go on then. Try it.
Done a runner. He was supposed to do
Oh, he's
that.
there.
Ah, he's back.
He was underneath it.
Hiding in the shade.
And you doing that then, Roper? I thought you said 10 minutes you'd have it done.
Loosened it up for him.
Oh, loosened it up for him.
Just get it out.
Multitude of bearings. I reckon we use those ones we took out of the Sherman and
Yeah.
put back in there rather than those old ones. Probably need the gunking.
Yeah.
Let's have a look in there.
This is right, is it?
See the grease gun thing?
Yeah, once we get it all together.
We've got a tube of grease there.
Yeah. They normally take about 3, but if we repack these in there with the grease I've got on them, we'll give them a
We'll
wide
take the
coat.
grass out.
Yeah, take the grass out of it.
Can
Grass will dissolve with the weight of a
Can
Sherman.
you find the
The
rest
dirt
of this
that
roll
won't.
somewhere? Do you know where the rest of this roll went?
No?
When you had it, we're just going to need a lot more. Team down.
Stop. Well,
Man, everything's creaking.
stop crying, you girl. It can't go anywhere.
It's actually sat on the track. We'll take the weight off the jack.
Yeah, that's all right. Take the jack out.
What's it that?
Well, leave it there because we might need leave it because we might need to jack it a bit if the pin's too tight. How far out are we, Steve?
You're not even halfway.
No, so you need a jack on that side then, really.
Yeah, definitely. I'll show you.
You want to keep that jack there because, like I say, we still might have to lift it to take the
Yeah.
weight, or the pin might
There
not
was
want to
another
go
jack
in.
around here.
Yeah. Well, it was a great show. The M33 went really well. Thanks for watching.